In today's health report, finally, there is a way to end the suffering from the Ebola epidemic that has ravaged West Africa for more than a year. Researchers say a new vaccine is so effective, there may never again be a major outbreak of Ebola. VOA's Pearson has more.
The Ebola outbreak that swept through West Africa has claimed more than 11,000 lives. Children, mothers, fathers, doctors, and nurses. No one was safe. The epidemic was so horrifying that countries around the world finally rallied in sending help, building treatment units, training medical staff, and helping governments in an effort to work towards ending the epidemic. Rival pharmaceutical companies worked together to produce a vaccine, and at last there is one, produced in record time and said to be highly effective.
Based on the number of individuals and cases we see, there is 100% protection in those vaccinated.
The vaccine combines a protein of the strain of Ebola that ravaged West Africa and another unrelated virus. The result is a weakened virus that cannot cause disease, but generates an immune response. Health workers and others at high risk were the first to get vaccinated, along with thousands of volunteers.
What we did was to follow the epidemic in a way. We identified contacts of new cases and also contacts of their contacts, and therefore had identified a cluster or a ring of high-risk individuals. And those were the ones who were enrolled in the study.
No placebo was used because the virus is so deadly, and researchers wanted to save as many lives as possible. Producing the vaccine and conducting the study was an international effort involving Doctors Without Borders and the World Health Organization in Guinea. The Norwegian Institute of Public Health designed the study, and Merck produced the vaccine. There's still no licensed vaccine against Ebola. The licensing process is time-consuming, but the plan is to keep the study going until there are no more cases of Ebola in West Africa. Researchers estimate the epidemic will finally be over in a few months. Pearson, VOA News, Washington.